How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I'm addressing a question, which is, does Surfshark have a free trial or money back guarantee? Now, let's just address the free trial. First of all, if you're trying to get a free trial on Surfshark on your desktop, that's not going to be possible even if you're on Mac. But on your Android or iPhone, you are able to go to the Apple App Store or Android Google Play Store and just get yourself a 7-day free trial by simply downloading Surfshark. And you'll be able to try out the service in full without any restrictions or limitations for 7 days straight. Now, if you're looking to try out Surfshark on your desktop or Mac or your smart TV or something like that, you are able to do that using and utilizing the 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can simply just purchase the service, and if you're not satisfied, you can just get yourself the refund. So that is how Surfshark tackles the free trial and money back guarantee. And of course, if you're looking for this specific discount right here, you'll be able to get it in the description down below if you'd like to save a little bit more money. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Surfshark with regards to the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find the full review down below. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.